Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to get Cardano NFTs. So the steps include purchasing ADA coins, owning a supported virtual wallet, choosing the marketplace, finding the best bargains, secret tips to keep safe. Let's get started. The act of processing Cardano NFTs involves purchasing an alternate currency and getting it switched with Cardano. This can be done perfectly by choosing the right Cardano NFT from the right marketplace. While it's all safe, you need to make certain to have a secure wallet. And this video will help you with all of that. So, the steps of purchasing Cardano NFTs are: number 1, purchasing the ADA coins. This is the first and most important step in getting started, and the first step to obtain money in the form of ADA coins is to visit the virtual marketplace. Hey, the procedure is not straightforward. You'll need to buy some other currency first, then swap it for Cardano. Let me explain it to you with an example. Well, it's like buying Bitcoin or Ethereum and then exchanging them using one of the platforms. I hope everything is clear now. If you're unsure which platforms to utilize, I would suggest using Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase. Number 2, own a supported wallet. After purchasing the other currency and getting it ready for the exchange, you'll need a wallet that supports the Cardano. Of course, how can you store something if you don't have something to keep it in? Moving on, you have the option of choosing among Yoroi, Nami, Daedalus, CC Vault, and Adalite. Either option is preferable to the other. It's entirely up to you. I have thoroughly tested some of them, and trust me, they're good and safe. For desktop, my personal favorite is Daedalus. Do check it out. Number 3, visit the marketplace. It's exactly like the real world, maybe even better. After choosing your wallet, you'll need to go to the virtual location where you can get your dream NFTs. Well, that dream location is Wank NFT, which is one of my favorites. You may find it by typing it into the Google search bar. Some of the other marketplaces you can consider visiting include Token and CNFT. Wait a minute, don't simply buy. Continue to step 4 if you want to get the greatest bargain. Number 4, find the greatest bargains. Last but certainly not least, the most exciting part is here. You must, however, conduct preliminary research before purchasing. Of course, I can assist you, but you'll need to work on it a bit too. It's easy. All you have to do is stay connected to social media networks. Common networks with large communities such as Discord, Instagram, and Twitter are among the platforms I utilize. They are sure to keep one updated and profited. Number 5, the secret tips. Cardano does have tremendous growth potential. It will, in my opinion, outgrow almost all of its competitors within a very short time. All you need to be aware of is to be cautious in your interactions. Don't forget to keep your wallet safe and maintain safe deals. Aside from that, there's nothing to be concerned about. You'll be profiting for sure. I hope that this video eased the process of purchasing the ADA coins and swapping them with the Cardano NFTs for you. Did you know Cardano NFTs have the most promising future without a doubt? Remember my words that taking the right decision at the right time is what matters. So choose the best marketplace to get the most favorable bargain whilst the time is right. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and press the bell notification.